Okay, so now we're going to start doing some equations, some formula in Excel. So you can start Excel either by clicking on the Start menu and scrolling down to E for Excel, or you can click here in the search bar, start typing EXC, and it'll pop up here and go Open. Taking a little while to open on my computer, but here we go. I want you to open your previous document that you had that should have pixel art here, and then a new tab with equations. That shouldn't be yellow there, so I'll just clear that, no fill. Alright, now what I want you to do is start popping some numbers in these columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just clicking on each cell. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now each one of these cells is named with a reference from the top, the column, and the row. So this cell here that's got 1 in it is A1. This cell here that's got 2 in it is A2. It could have any number in it, and so on. So this one here is A10. Now we want to sum these up. Now you could type them all in your calculator and then type the sum in here. I'm going to write a thing here saying this is the sum. But even easier, if you click in this window, type equals, and then start typing sum, it'll come up with this option. Then double click on sum, and now it's asking for a number, the numbers you want to sum up. Now you can now click on this and highlight all, drag down and highlight all those, and then either press enter or click on the little arrow here, and now it's worked out the sum of all these numbers. And you can see if you click on here, it's telling you that the sum of all the sum of A1, this one, to A10, so all the way down there, is 55. You can also work out the minimum. So if I type min here, click in this box, type equals, and start typing min, double click on that and highlight all these, the same, only up to 10 though, right? And then press enter or click on the green arrow, and I get the minimum out of all those numbers is 1. I can make this one bold and italics so that we can see. This one I'll make it bold and italics, and then I can calculate the maximum. So in this area here I type equals, start typing max, double click on there, highlight all these and press the green arrow or press enter, make this one bold and italics, and I can even calculate the average. So if I put my mouse in here, type equals, start typing average, and then highlight all these ones, press enter, and the average of them is 5.5. I'll make that bold and italics, and then if I want, I can highlight all those and make them a different color so they kind of stand out. Okay, so that's the first task. Then I want you to save your folder, and I want to try and get everybody up to this speed.